Hello, I'm Teacher Sharon. This week's book was Pop, a book about bubbles. So guess what we're going to do for our home activity? You guessed it, we're going to make bubbles. Now there are a few different ways of making bubbles. You can go to the store and you can buy bubble solution, different shapes, and make bubbles that way. Wow! Big bubbles, little bubbles. Or you can even make your own bubble solution. What you would need is a spoon, liquid dishwashing solution, dishwashing, not from the dishwasher, the liquid solution, a bowl or a cup, depending on how many bubbles you want to make, corn syrup, just like this, and water. Now, I wrote the ratios of what you're going to need for each of these ingredients. So if you used 1 spoonful of liquid dishwashing soap, you put it in a cup, and then you put 1 teaspoon, tablespoon, whichever spoon, the same kind of spoon. You put 1 spoonful of corn syrup, and then 9 parts water. So the ratio is 1 to 1 to 9. So if you used 1 spoonful of liquid dishwashing soap and corn syrup, you need to use 9 spoonfuls of water. And you mix it up really good, and you are ready to make bubbles with the solution that you made. You could also use what's called glycerin. You buy it at like CVS or somewhere. But if you have corn syrup at home and dishwashing soap, you should be able to make your bubble solution. Now, bubbles are always the same shape. What shape are they? When they come off, they are round. So it doesn't matter what kind of a wand you use. Once they come off, they're always round. And if you don't have a bubble wand, I found this basket that maybe strawberries come in. Let's see if this will make bubbles. Uh-oh, let me see. I got bubbles on here. A little bit of blow, and look. Now you can make bubbles outside, inside. If you do it inside though, you might want to put newspaper on the floor so the floor doesn't get messy, because bubbles can be sticky. What you could also do as you make your bubbles, you could make bubble solution, put a few drops of food coloring in it, and it'll make your bubbles different colors. And you could do bubble art. You make the bubble, and you take a piece of paper and catch your color bubble, and it'll pop on the paper, and you make bubble art. That would be awesome. I hope you try this bubble solution or even buy bubble solution. There's different things you can do with bubbles. You could count the bubbles. You could compare, see who makes the biggest one, the littlest one, and count how many you can make. You could even have a contest to see who can pop, how many bubbles you pop, and count them. Different ways of playing with bubbles. I hope you can think of some more to do too and have a lot of fun doing it. Bye for now.